Read carefully before doing anything. Okay? So you have a 3 minute, no? Para i-comply ni siya. So this is called the 3-minute test. Okay? So nanatanan nanay ballpen or okay. So atong dunganan 1, 2, 3, go. You have 3 minutes.
Di para lagi dah. Di para lagi.
Kaping. Alam mo sakit? Ako mo magbasa. Sigit lang. Eh. Hindi sakit pa. Wala ka maminalo. Sabi kuya, ano no? Seryoso kayo.
Apas man.
Mana? Patinggan na ba? Basta sa bota, wag ko sanay ha.
Mana ka?
Ha?
Mana?
Ay, pilar eh. Pinyano. Ay, sing tayo. Satu ba? Ako yung sila ni Kuya. No, ay wala eh. Ay, sa pagbuhat kayo pa.
Walay mag-erase.
Gulungan kita. Gulungan ka to eh. Patay kita nga daan.
Ano siya?
Di ba ka kasabot? Di ba pasado na natay? Sagay lagot. Sorry lagot. Sorry lagot. Abi na lang kita ko tayo.
Okay. Countdown. 10, 9, 8,
Kansiran tanan.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Papers up. Papers up. Okay. Okay? Basahon na to ugdungan. Okay? 3-minute test. How well do you receive communication? Start. 1. Read everything before doing anything. 2. Print your name in the upper right-hand corner of this paper. 3. Circle the word name in sentence 2. 4. Draw 5 small squares in the upper left-hand corner of this paper. 5. Call your name aloud. 6. Write your name again under the second title of this paper. 7. After the first title, write yes Yes, yes. 8. Draw a circle around sentence 5. 9. Put an X in the lower left-hand corner of this paper. 10. If you are enjoying the test, say yes. Not say no. 11. Loudly call out your last name when you reach this point in the test. 12. On the right margin of this paper, multiply 66 by 7. 13. Draw a rectangle around the word paper in the sentence number 4. 14. If you think you have followed directions carefully to this point, call I have. 15. On the left margin of this paper, add 69 and 98. 16. Count in your normal speaking voice from 10 to 1 backwards. 17. Stand up, turn around once, and sit down. 18. Say out loud, I'm nearly finished. I have followed directions. 19. If you are the first to this point, say, I am the leader in following directions. 20. Okay? Now that you have finished reading carefully as instructed in sentence 1, do only sentence number 2. And what is sentence number 2? Print your name in the upper left-hand corner of this paper. Okay, who got it right?
Gibuhatan ng...
Kinsay nakakuha? Okay, be honest. Okay, so ang nakakuha katulad nag-print lang sa ilahang name sa upper left-hand corner. Okay, okay. So mutindog lang itong nakakuha, be?
Oh, makaulit namin ha.
Okay, let's give them a mighty clap. Okay. So, this is just a very simple instructions, yet this could be applied sa itong mga lives. Right? Sometimes, do kabalota sa usay answer, but usahay ka na labi na kami mag-take ng mga board exams, kabalo sa answers, pero dili mag-follow instructions, wala lang yapon, right? Usahay mag-una ta ba? No, dili sa tamaminaw mag-una. Usahay sa relationship sa banag asawa. Wala pa gani nakasulti ang asawa, nag-una ng bana, or ang bana o pagay kasulti, nag-una ng asawa. So, dili mayo, no? Okay. So, dapat, para ma-patch up na to ang things, dapat paminaw sa gita. No? Kanang learn to listen. Follow instructions. Diba? Even sa to ang mga trabaho, dapat mo obey yun ta, mo follow yung instructions. Right? So, this is very applicable, very simple, but ang lesson natin nato ani na ma-learn is to follow instructions carefully. Do not act kung dili pa kasigurado. Basig na kay nadunggan dito. No, maintag na diri ang mga asawa. Kasi kay madunggan dito na imong bana kung nakitaan dito. So, sigurado sa kay basig ang kuyog office mate ra to.
Ana.
Okay, no? So, wala na sa dili dayon ta mo conclude unless ma-sure gyud nato, di ba? So parihaan ni dili din sa tamo buhat sa dayon answer din ta atat na atat. Pero sa last day ay lahira din instructions, right? Okay, sige atong pakpakan natong kaugalingon. Okay, sa akong gitawagan si Val.
Okay, so that was a good activity, no? Communication is very important. It's essential to life, even in organizations or even in the smallest structure in the organization within a husband and a wife. So